Here is today's tub. It's so thin. I mean, I can't believe somebody did this, but they did. And I'm going to get it all fixed up for her. Such a shame. I'm going to get slip resistant hole on the bottom, of course. It looks like it's had actually two, maybe, hard to say, maybe somebody came in and did a little patched area. You can kind of see where right here it overlays a second coating. I'm gonna get that sanded and stripped back and get a really nice porcelain glaze on there with slip resistant. And make it look great for her. It's just a shame. So as I get this stuff stripped down, what I do is I run 60 grit sandpaper over it just to give it some scratches so I can put the stripping agent on there and get it stripped off. And as you can see, all of this dust right here, and I just do it real quick, and my respirator's in the bag, but I just didn't put it on. And then I'm gonna, of course, get everything covered up while that's sitting. But the point is that little dust right there, I can smell this. And this is aliphatic acrylic urethane. It's been something that I've smelled so many times. But if I can smell that through the dust, I just can't help but wonder, whenever you're bathing in here, what's leaching into this bath water whenever they're painting these tubs with this cheap crap. I don't mean to sound upset. I'm upset because the customer paid to have this done, and you know, they don't know. The customer doesn't know at all, and it's just a being in this industry, it's just like a big slap in the face. But I'm gonna get this stuff off of here, but I just wanted to make a note on that. And you can see what I'm talking about with the dust. How, you know, as you run the sander over it, and then I'm gonna put a stripping agent on it, it'll bubble that junk up. To be honest with you, I bet lacquer thinner would bubble this up. I don't carry lacquer thinner because it leaves a residue, but I'm just saying that's how weak it is. Everything is finished up. I have the slip resistant resin on the bottom of the tub, recalked around the entire tub, also recalked along the bottom of the tub, of course, to the outside wall. This tub will last these people a long time. It's got a 6-year warranty on it. This was a total restoration. So it's a lot different than the paint they had on it before. This is porcelain glaze.